In this video, I'll show you how to create a Suno AI account step by step. First, open your browser and go to the official Suno website, or you can download the Suno app on your mobile. Once the platform opens, look at the top right corner and click on the Sign Up button. On mobile, you may see an option like Create a Free Account. Now you will see multiple login options. Suno does not use a normal email and password system, so you have to sign up using Google, Discord, Apple, Microsoft, or your phone number. Choose any one option that you are comfortable with. If you select phone number, you will receive an OTP, so just enter that code to verify. After that, follow the on-screen steps and allow access. Once you complete this process, your account will be created automatically, and you will be redirected to the Suno dashboard. From here, you can start creating music instantly. You can also go into settings and update your display name or profile picture if you want. And that's it. That's how you can easily create a Suno AI account.